Under a legal definition of crime, a criminal act must involve conscious, voluntary public harm. And one of the biggest stumbling blocks in terms of applying a legal definition to crime involves the notion of public harm. In the case of what are called victimless crimes like drug offenses, gambling, prostitution, the question is, what is the public harm from that? The answer to that question is that the harm is primarily under our legal system. The harm is the state is the victim of those crimes. The state suffers from um, situations in which there's drug and alcohol use, for instance, that people are no longer employed because of those problems. The other members of the family are also the collateral consequences of the harm from drug, alcohol, and prostitution. But there's also harm to what's called the moral fabric of society, or there's harms to public standards of morality by these so-called victimless crimes. So the idea of public harm does in fact apply to victimless crimes, even though these are consensual acts by individuals. There are other people that are harmed by these acts, and namely society, who is the victim of transgressions under a modern definition, a legal definition of crime.